Welcome to bright and shiny Sunshine State, Daytona Beach, Florida. Right now we're in the middle of a storm, and well, this is the worst storm that I've ever been here, even though it's not like a hurricane or anything. It has had a lot of rain for the past few days, and right now I'm in my driveway. See? Here's my car. I actually had to move it up closer to the garage, because right there is normally where I park my car, but as you can see, it's kind of underwater. The road has completely been covered by water in a matter of hours. See all the way down there? All flooded. There's some cars trying to maneuver over there. You can't really see it. But, yeah. There's a truck trying to go by right now. I've never had waves on my driveway before. A little bit earlier there was a waterfall coming off of the porch right there, but that seemed to have disappeared when the rain started dying down. But yeah. Oh, here's something interesting. There's some more cars coming. Can't really see it that well, but all the way over there, that car is almost halfway underwater. He's plowing through. Woo! Anyways, for those of you who see this video and are in Florida and Daytona Beach at the time, enjoy your vacation while you're here.